What's up, guys? Today we are back with a very special video. This one, we're going to be doing the Allure of the Seas breakdown video. We're going to let you guys know everything that we're going to be doing on this amazing, fun ship.
Well, not everything. I don't know that we can cover everything that's on this ship.
I know, guys, there is so much to talk about, so much to do. We've got just under 1 week until we leave. Well, if you guys are watching this on Monday, today, when it airs, then we've got just under 1 week until we leave for the Allure of the Seas. We're going to be sailing March
on Saturday.
Right, we're going to be sailing March 11th through the 18th. So, we're super excited and can't wait to break down all the fun that we're going to be having this cruise. So, guys, the first thing that we're going to talk about is, of course, you know, when we're leaving. So, we are going down a day early. We're leaving and going down, flying into Fort Lauderdale on March the 10th. And we're going to be staying in an Airbnb. Now, we really enjoyed the Airbnb that we had the opportunity to stay in New York back in December, if you do remember that. So we wanted to try it out kind of in a warmer climate.
Well, and the other reason too is, you know, it is spring break week in Fort Lauderdale, and hotel prices were a little pricey this time.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, they were. Well, Fort Lauderdale tends to be a little bit more pricey anyway. Yeah. But this time we was like, oh my goodness. So we found a really nice Airbnb. We're staying at a yacht club. Yeah, we are staying at a yacht club, guys. I can't believe it myself. But
how did we score this?
I don't know. So we're gonna have amazing views of these multi-million-dollar ships. Because they really are ships. I wouldn't classify that as a boat.
I do not make that much money.
I know.
I'm a nurse. I do not make that much money.
Oh, and I mean, it's got like they've got a hot tub. It's got a pool at the place. I mean, it's full like resort amenities.
I mean, we thought the Pier 66 hotel was nice.
Was nice. I think this is gonna top that just a little bit. So it's in Adventura, which is in between Fort Lauderdale and Miami. So we're a little bit south of the port, but that's all right. That's okay with us. You know, we're in a yacht club, and that was that was an accommodation that you know, we could work around. Okay. So we're gonna be staying there. Probably gonna go out to eat. And of course, you guys will be with us for that whole thing. But then we board the ship March 11th. Now, our room that we chose a large interior room. And the reason that we chose that was, as I've told you guys, you know, many people have asked me, Josh, should I get an interior or should I get a balcony? Well, it really comes down to, are you going to be in the room a lot or are you going to be out exploring the ship? For us, definitely on this ship, we're going to be out exploring a lot. Like, I think we'll rarely be in the room. So, splurging for a nice balcony was not at the top of the list for us.
I mean, I love my balconies, don't get me wrong. When I can get a balcony room, I love it. Just because, personally, for me, and I don't know if a lot of other people do this, but for me, at night, I like to kind of de-stress and just go out on the balcony and just sit there and watch the ocean at night, you know, in privacy and stuff like that. That's kind of my escape. But by doing an interior room at a cheaper rate, it also enables us to do more cruises. To do more cruises and do more, you know, fun stuff like the shore excursions and all that we otherwise might not. Elsewhere. Right, that we might not be able to use. So, we've got a large interior. Now, the difference is even though it is an interior, this one, you know, as the name implies, is a large interior. So we're expecting it to be a bit larger than most interiors that we've encountered. It looks to be a lot more elegant and fancy. Basically, the same accommodations as a balcony room, and with just without a balcony. With the size of this ship, I mean, we was looking, you know, at the floor plans. The interior rooms, some of them are laid out weird anyways. Like, ours is like a standard like you would see on a cruise ship. But then there's like this middle section of the ship, and the rooms are sideways. Right, correct. So I don't know that I would want to be in one of those rooms, but who knows? Right, yeah, who knows, right? So we did get a large interior room. We're on deck 10. So we're high up in the ship. So I'm really looking forward to, you know, seeing that's going to be our first Royal Caribbean room. So really excited to see how that's going to be. Now, let's get into the itinerary. Where are we going on this cruise? Mama. That's one of the other reasons we wanted to book this cruise. Absolutely, was the itinerary. Yeah. We're going to 2 new ports that we've not been to before. Right. Our first day, March 11th, you know, obviously we'll be boarding, sail away, I believe, is at 4:30.
in the afternoon. So we'll be leaving Fort Lauderdale at 4:30.
And we're getting on like early. I think our boarding time's like 11:30.
Yeah. We wanted to get on early and start exploring this ship. You know, give us as much of a head start as we can, because
it's 6,000 people.
Yeah, there's a lot to see. Okay, yeah, and a lot of people getting on. So we're leaving at 4:30. Then the following day is a day at sea. So that's March the 12th. We're gonna have a fun day at sea. I'm sure they'll have lots of sea day activities, new stuff. They have a belly flop contest, so I'm really looking forward to that. You know, just a whole bunch exploring the ship, that kind of stuff. The wave rider, the rock wall zip line. So really looking forward to
the wave rider.
And Mama Hokum's doing the wave rider too, guys. Don't let her fool you. Then our third day, March 13th, we're gonna be docking in Labadee, Haiti. Now, this I am truly excited about, because we have not had the chance to go to Labadee, Haiti. We've explored the Dominican Republic side of the island.
The island is actually, you know, Hispaniola is the old name of it, and of course it's divided Haiti and Dominican.
Right, and so we've had the chance to explore that side, but not the Haitian side. So really looking forward to docking in Labadee and seeing what we're going to be doing there. Right now, we just have a beach day plan. That's what we could see was the #1 kind of recommendation.
I mean, it's the equivalent of Half Moon Cay for Carnival. You know, this is their private island, so you know it's kind of the same. It's set up. They're going to have
the barbecue lunch. So lunch is included. There's shops right there. Basically, everything you need is right there in their little.
So it's just Half Moon Cay royal style.
Right. So that's going to be Labadee. We're there from 8 a.m. to 4:30. Yeah, so a really good port day, a full port day for us. So really looking forward to seeing Haiti. Then the next day is March the 14th. We're going to be docking in Falmouth, Jamaica. And this is also a new port to us. Now, we have been to Ocho Rios, Jamaica, I think 2 or 3 times.
I've been 3, you've been 2.
Yeah, I've been 2. But we've never been to Falmouth, which is more on the center side. If you're looking at, you know, the island as this way, it's more on the center. Ocho Rios is over here.
It's more historic.
Right. So, really looking forward to docking in Falmouth, Jamaica. Now, in Falmouth, we do have a shore excursion. We are doing, I think it's called the Aqua
Thrill Seekers and Adventure
Falls. That's correct. So, guys, there's a lot to do on this excursion. All I can tell you is just be ready for that day. It is going to be tons of fun. There's an obstacle course. There's water slides. There's river raft, like whitewater tubing. There is, I think there's zip lines maybe.
There's a zip
zip lines. We have the option for ATVs. I mean, it's just the options.
There's a lot. There's swimming pools.
There's swimming pools, hot tubs, bars, jacuzzis.
I want it in there like a diving rock wall.
I mean, look, just strap in that day, okay? That day, we're gonna have some fun, okay? So
we're gonna be active. I don't know how active I'll be after tubing, but
we're gonna have a lot of fun that day, okay? And so we're in Jamaica from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So still a pretty full day.
9 hours.
I would say, yeah. I would say a pretty full day there in Jamaica. A lot of time to enjoy the island and that kind of thing. So then day 5, the 15th day of March, we are cruising. We are all day cruising. So we're on our way across. Yeah, we're at sea. We're on our way to the next port, which is Cozumel, Mexico. Now Cozumel, Mexico is that Mexico?
Yeah, well it's Cozumel.
Yeah, Cozumel. She got a Cozumel shirt on. Look at that, guys. I didn't even know.
This is actually Papa Hokum's shirt. I stole it from
yeah, we're going to be in Cozumel that day. Cozumel is one of my favorite ports. It really is. It's so much fun down there.
I haven't been to Cozumel since 2015.
Wow. That's crazy. I didn't even think. Yeah, you didn't go last year, did you? Yeah, so me and Papa Hokum went last year. So, really looking forward. I'm sure she's looking forward to getting back to Cozumel, seeing everything that's changed, everything that's still the same.
Mexican vanilla.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good. If you're ever in Cozumel, make sure you do pick up some
That's what
Mexican
I'm picking up, some more Mexican vanilla.
But in Cozumel, we're going to be there 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So, a really, really full day in Cozumel. And guys,
11 hours.
We have a special excursion plan for you. We actually just booked it last night. It's going to be the Deluxe Beach Break and Playa Mia Water Park. Now, we originally had Mr. Sancho's booked. You guys may, I'm sure you've heard, you know,
we've had people request us to go to Mr. Sancho's.
To Mr. Sancho's. You know. And we had Mr. Sancho's booked, but the reason that we kind of switched, and let me just say this, that Mr. Sancho's is not a Royal Caribbean at this time. it was not one of their excursions. We did have to book it, you know, independently. Separate. We did have that booked, and as we kind of did a little more research, we just started comparing Mr. Sancho's and Playa Mia, and you know, I might do a full breakdown video for you on that subject maybe. But it basically came down to, it was actually going to cost us more overall to go to Mr. Sancho's than it was to Playa Mia, because
to do the equivalent of
right, to do the equivalent of what, like Playa Mia, what we're going to be able to do. So Playa Mia, we're going to be able to do, they have obstacle course in the water, they have sailboats like private that you can take out, they have kayaks, they have a giant pool, they have a water park, they have a massage tub, which I think is like a hot tub. They the package that we're getting includes a buffet as well as an open bar,
which we don't drink, but we might get smoothies.
Right. So I mean, for all that, if we'd have got the equivalent at Mr. Sancho's, it was going to be like almost double the price. Yeah. So we chose to go to Playa Mia, and I've actually heard great things about Playa Mia, so cannot wait.
Before, when you went to Cozumel, you've actually seen the signs for Playa Mia, and you said you'd like to go there.
Right, yeah, no. Every time, you know, we've been to Cozumel, I've pretty much seen the signs either in a taxi ride or, you know, just at the pier, and I've always thought, you know, wow, because their ads resemble like a water park and that kind of thing, and I was like, wow, that'd be fun to do sometime. And I didn't put two and two together until last night, and then I was like, oh my gosh, this is the excursion I've always wanted to do. We have to do this one. So, yeah, we're going to be going to Playa Mia. Really looking forward to showing you guys everything that they have to offer. I really think it's going to be a fun day. I truly do. And there's great beach and snorkeling there too, apparently.
Now, and somebody has asked you, of course, as well, you know, is, are you taking your drone?
Yeah. So, yes, I am taking my drone. Now, I've contacted Royal Caribbean. We've looked at several different documents, and basically what I understand right now, it is on their prohibited list on the website. No doubt about that. In the cruise contract that you sign, it is not in that, one, and two, I actually contacted Royal Caribbean myself and asked them, you know, what is the policy, what happens if I bring it? And basically what they told me is that, you know, it will be taken at the port and I can check it out in the island.
Just like we did on the
Which is what we did on the which I'm totally cool with. I get that. They don't want some idiot flying it off the ship when it's out at sea and wrecking it, you know? Totally understandable. So, you know, if they want to hold it, that's great. Just as long as I can check it out on the islands, that'll be cool. So,
I mean, and probably, I mean, we've discussed this too. You're probably not going to take it out in Jamaica.
Right? Yeah.
Just because right now Jamaica's a little
unstable.
Yeah.
And we don't want to do anything crazy.
And I don't know what their laws are.
Well,
right
it's
now.
pretty much the same as U.S., but still.
Still, I mean, it's a little iffy right now.
Right. So I'm gonna try and take it off in Labadee as well as Cozumel. Get some great shots for you guys. So that's what we're planning right now. And then after Cozumel, we do have one final sea day. That'll be March 17th. And then we're back in Fort Lauderdale, guys. So that is our cruise. Now, we do have several, we have a specialty dining, Chops Grill. We do have that booked for the last sea day, as well as we have several
and that's lunch.
Yeah, we do have it for lunch.
That's one neat thing about Royal, is it's their steakhouse. Chops is their steakhouse, which is, if you do it for dinner, it's really expensive. It's $45 a person. Now, you know, like David's that we did on the Pride was $35, I think.
Yeah.
But this is $45. But they have an option on here where you can do a Chops Grill lunch.
Right.
And we actually got it on sale, because they had a sale running, so we got it on sale for $17.
So we got a good deal.
That's a really good deal. And you still get, I mean, we're getting like filet mignon. I've looked at the menu. You know, I'll have a meal very similar to what I had on David's.
Right.
For $17 as opposed to $45.
So really, it was a no-brainer to do it for lunch. So we do have that on the last sea day, as well as pretty much all the shows. So the Aqua Show at the back of the ship. We've got Mamma Mia. We've got Blue Planet. Let's see what else. There's comedy in there, the ice skating show. So, I mean, guys, it is really going to be a packed cruise. I cannot wait to share it with you.
I don't know what you can film, though, of the show.
Right, yeah, we don't know what we'll be able to film of the shows, and I'm thinking I kind of want to steer away from that anyway, maybe give you guys some highlights, and have you guys interact more with us, you know?
They don't, I mean, we've seen, people want to see more of you and less of the shows.
you guys have said it, you guys want to see more of us and less of the shows, so we hear you loud and clear, and we have no problem with that. So, that is the cruise, basically, guys. After that, we're also gonna be staying another day. We're also doing an Airbnb, but this Airbnb is gonna be down in Miami, specifically on Miami Beach, guys. We got a beachfront Airbnb on Miami Beach for the last day. I cannot wait. I literally cannot. Like, I don't want to wish the cruise away, but I cannot wait to stay in this Airbnb. You know what I mean? Like, wow, that is going to be so fun to just, like, walk. It's literally like you open the door, we walk across the little boardwalk, and we're right there on the beach.
Wow. That's amazing, because, I mean, all the other times, you know, we're right there at South Point Park, and we just are right there at the beach, just briefly.
Right, we're there, and then we have to take a Uber all the way back over to mainland Miami. Now we get to actually stay over there, guys. So yeah, I really cannot wait to stay in that Airbnb, guys. It's gonna be tons of fun. Airbnb is a nice app, and I'm thinking I might do like a, one day like a tutorial video, because a lot of you guys have had questions about how it works and stuff. So maybe one day I'll do a tutorial video about that. But then we fly home on Monday the 19th, and that is the cruise. So, guys, it looks to be a really fun and amazing vacation.
I think we're going to be exhausted.
I know we're going to be exhausted. I know we're going to be exhausted. I cannot wait.
I'll need a vacation from my vacation.
I'm telling you guys. Like, seriously, like, we're going to come back and need, like, you know, just a day of recovery and stuff.
And I'm going to have to go back to work, and I won't be productive.
I know. So, listen, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I cannot wait to share all of these amazing memories with you. The vlogs will air on March 26th, so make sure you tune in for those, guys. We'll see you real soon. Tune in this Saturday. We're going to be on the ship, so make sure you go over and like me on... Huh? We'll be down. The cruise vlogs will start on Saturday. So make sure you head over, like my page on Facebook. It's Josh Hogan YT. It should be showing like somewhere down here right now. Okay, like in the bottom of the screen, there should be like a link to it. So head over, hit that like button. We're gonna be doing Facebook Lives all week long. Okay, so you do not want to miss it. We'll see you guys real soon. Bye.